YECAYE cable mess no more. It's a 7.8 foot 6 by 15 7-inch, installs with premium adhesive tape, and it holds a whole bunch of cables. And what is this good for? Say by your desk, an office, wherever you got a slop of cable, we're going to install this and hook it up and put our cables to rest. As we open up the package, we got the adhesive tape. And we got all the troughs. Yes, indeed. You have to put them together. So if you don't want to use all of them, you could just basically put them all together, one piece at a time. Grab yourself a pair of scissors. Open up the cover. This is the adhesive tape. It's sticking on the sides as usual. So what you're going to do is you're going to peel off the backing of the unit so it keeps it nice and clean. You're going to take the adhesive and you're going to center it, and you're going to lay it down on all the pieces like so. For a good 30 seconds you're going to rub your hands over. Please don't worry if you get a crease on it. You can lift up and correct. If you want to continue on with the additional ones, you can do so like so. You simply repeat the same process. You line up, and you continue to run the adhesive all the way to the end. And if this is enough for you, take a scissors, and you're going to cut. And make sure you flatten down. This is the unit. It opens up nice and wide, as you can see, and it flexes right back. I am going to stretch this as wide as I can so I can show you that it will close up correctly. And what we're going to go do now is place some cable in. For demonstration purposes, I just want to show you that we're putting in an electrical cord, speaker wire, etc., and extension cords. And what I am going to be doing here is I'm going to show you how much can fit in here right at the desk. So this way, when I go to the area that I need to put this in, I can definitely get my cords going. So these are doing a good job holding all the cable. I got 2 heavy-duty extension cords, 1 heavy-duty 3-prong, and 4 pieces of speaker wire. And I am going to do this right now. I'm going to take my cord and I'm going to go again, place this all in. I'm going to double the capacity of it by going back through here. And there you go. I'm getting it in there nice and comfortable, doing a good job indeed. And we have all this cord in there, a lot of cord. And I'm most sure you're not going to have all this cord at a given time. So if you wanted to bring it out some and have it over here like so to come out, you can do so, and it holds into place, as you can see. There you go. Look at that bad boy. What you want to do is you want to clean the area it's going to be on. Wipe all the dust off. Make sure it's nice and dry. And then you're going to peel it on a 40-degree angle. If it rips, don't worry. You can get it to peel off and continue. I'm going to lay mine towards the floor right here. And I'm going to higher to the wall. You may take a couple of presses. A good 30 seconds. This will hold on, as you can see. Not going to come off. And then I'm going to take my cables. And I'm going to start to put them in. If I want to hide my extra cable, bring it back in. I can do so like so. And wherever I need to have one of these cable troughs, I have plenty of it to put around. And I got plenty of tape, And if I ever want to remove it, it can be removed by grabbing it and just gently peeling away. Now, you can always get more tape and put it on there, and you're able to put it back on there. Again, it is very sticky and it will hold pretty strong indeed. It should last a long time and take care of your mess no matter where you have to put one of these cable channel management. You ever need to take off the rubber adhesive, just grab it and pulls right off. Not that difficult indeed. Just be a little careful when you put it onto a painted surface. It may take some of the paint off. And there you have it. I hope this product is something that you're looking for to dress up your cables in a very neat manner. Enjoy your product if this is right for you.